Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back with a very special walkthrough Wednesday today. Today I am with Misty with Webb Nocatee, and she's going to be showing us a very special home. So Misty, please tell us where we're at today.
Absolutely. So we're in Model Park here at the Webb Nocatee, and we are in a bittersweet situation where we are closing out Webb Nocatee. We are going to show you today the Infinity floor plan. This is a one-of-a-kind floor plan built only one time in Webb Nocatee, and we're at 73 Glenhurst Drive.
Okay, I'm so excited for you guys
Come
to
on
see
in.
this.
So this home is actually just under 4,000 square feet.
Wow.
And it will show so beautiful. Really large foyer when you come in. This is going to give you a great space to be able to set up a beautiful foyer table and mirror. And things that I love about this house is there is just so much storage, which we're going to see throughout the process. So you've got a nice coat closet as you come in.
I love all the architectural details that you guys have done, especially with this walkway as you're walking in.
Yep,
Stunning.
thank you. So this home is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath home, and we're going to see our first bedroom bath all separated away from the other ones. Large storage. Again, another huge closet that can be a linen and then can store additional things. And then you've got your guest bedroom here on the front of the home.
Perfect. I love that this is separate from the rest of the house too. Great size. It's very light and airy in here with the floors and the walls.
And then you have the hall bathroom. This would work as a bathroom for your guests, but also will work for a private bathroom for this bedroom. Now, as you come forward through this house, you can see you've got absolutely beautiful tall ceilings throughout. And just ahead here on our left, this will work well as a home office or could be used as a dining room. But when you see the size of this kitchen and the cafe, you may not want to use this as your dining room.
It's a big space though, very versatile.
Absolutely. So come on in and check this out.
Wow.
So huge, beautiful living room. We've got lots of space to set up some really creative ideas. You can easily set up your TV in here if you wanted to be in a little nook, but it could also be a little home bar.
Love that.
You could even do like reading chairs and set up a little library. And then it's beautiful and open to this absolutely lovely large kitchen.
Wow. This space is huge. It's always so much harder to tell on camera, but this kitchen is massive. What did you say? This island could fit 5 to 6?
Yeah, 5 to 6 bar stools all along this absolutely beautiful bar. You could easily host, you know, you don't need a buffet.
A huge Thanksgiving feast here, everyone.
Correct. Or imagine a charcuterie board on this.
Yeah, oh my heavens, yes.
On this. So this is a Webb Gourmet kitchen. And so in this, you're going to have your convection microwave and a full oven.
Awesome.
And then one of the really cool things that kind of makes this kitchen feel very custom is when you do your gourmet, you actually get additional storage at both ends of this island that are just added because you have lost a cabinet. We've got, of course, our pantry over here on this side. And then there is so much extra storage. Wow. You could easily use these cabinets for more space.
Absolutely. This isn't like an entertainer's dream. You have so much space to store things in. And I mean, gosh, the finishes on this home are stunning. Like the package that you guys have chose for this one-of-a-kind floor plan is just beautiful.
So it is a full gas community. So we're going to have obviously the gas cooktop, and then you'll have gas tankless water heater on the
Perfect.
home. So this is our large cafe. Like I was saying, could easily be used as a dining space.
Absolutely.
But if you like to have like more of a breakfast style nook, you could use that other space as a dining. Beautiful windows looking outside to the preserve.
Yeah, lots of natural light here in this home.
So let's go ahead and take a look at the owner's suite.
Okay.
So as you come in, you have a really nice size owner's bedroom, again on the backing to the preserve. It's got a nice little niche back over here where you could easily set up your tall boy so it's not in view. And then you've got a nice place for a dresser on this side as well.
Great size.
And then in the kitchen, or I'm sorry, in the master bathroom, we've got separated sinks.
Oh, I love this layout.
Large walk-in shower as well. So huge seat, that bench, I don't know if that video is showing it, but it's plenty big for 2 people, that's for sure. private toilet room, and then this beautiful large walk-in closet.
Wow. Love that the shelves are already in there, but yeah, this bathroom is great. I love the his and hers, so you don't have to share. Now, Misty, this is what, one of 5 homes you guys have left?
Yes.
So this is literally last opportunity.
Truly.
Yeah.
We are down to our last opportunities. We have only 5 home sites remaining in all of Webb Nocatee. And then we will not have this particular location anymore. Like I said, very bittersweet. It's been such a wonderful treat to have the opportunity to be in Nocatee and to help all the families that we've helped. So this little lanai back here has a beautiful extension on it. So you've got the caged extension with pavers. Again, backing up to a preserve buffer. There are definitely no homes behind it. It does eventually go all the way back to the Canopy Club.
Awesome. Yeah, this is great. Love the pavers. I love that there's the 3 sliders. It's so quiet too.
We had to be quiet to give you that.
Yeah, I wanted you guys to hear how quiet it is. And did you say that sometimes you see some beautiful animals back here too?
So we'll see the deer kind of pass through Nocatee and Webb Nocatee. These sliders that we just came out of, they do open both directions. So all 3 sliders can slide either direction as well.
Love that.
All right, so let's go on back to our 3rd bedroom.
Okay.
So all the bedrooms really, truly are so separated, which gives such great privacy. Beautiful little, again, niched entry into this back hallway. This is a true ensuite guest bedroom, full bathroom and a stand-up shower.
This would be perfect for a guest, or maybe you have a family member that's living with you and needs another space like this with a full bath.
Absolutely. Awesome. So we're going to show you next, we're going to show you this amazing laundry room.
Yes.
So, you know, this is for someone who isn't really ready to downsize, and you're going to get your dream laundry room, your dream kitchen, and truly an entertaining living room.
Yeah, you're definitely not lacking storage here in this house.
No, my favorite things. All those cabinets are so great for storage.
Perfect.
Now, I didn't tell you guys about this, but I have one more surprise for you in this home.
Yay!
And we're going to take you up to a bonus room. Now, from the outside, you may not have been able to tell that there was a bonus room, but this space is perfect for someone who may have a live-in caregiver or another family member that is living with them and wants their own space.
I love that the stairs are tucked away too from the rest of the house.
Yes, completely hidden, and look at this space. This is about 800 square feet with a mini kitchen, but a full-size refrigerator up here.
This might be one of the biggest bonus areas I've ever seen.
So we did do basically, like I said, a mini kitchen. There's just no range or dishwasher, but you have a sink, running water, the full-size refrigeration, and then you've got room to put something if you chose to for a cooktop style use. And then it does have a full bathroom up here as well.
This is great. There's so many different places you could put living spaces and bedroom sets, like we were discussing this before, so it's very versatile.
You also, you know, for someone who maybe just doesn't want to give up a home office or wants to kind of remember their accomplishments, this would make such a beautiful place to set up your home office.
Absolutely.
Or if you were a super crafter, you could host a craft night up here, which would be, I think, amazing because I love to craft. So
some different events. Oh yeah, this is great.
You could host all the neighbors.
Oh my gosh. Wow. This home is definitely super special.
It is. Like I said, one of a kind at the beginning. It, I hope it wows everybody.
Oh, definitely. I'm sure it will. Wow. One more quick look.
Yep.
All right, Misty, well, please remind us where we are at and then how people can contact you, as well as any maybe incentives you have for this home.
Of course. We do have a little surprise. So we are at Webb Nocatee. You can reach us by going to the Webb page Webb Nocatee page. Reach out to our online sales consultants. We don't have a salesperson on site, but they can definitely get you in touch with with our sales consultants. And our special is we are giving away a golf cart as long as it closes by the end of the year. Today is only November 4th. So we have plenty of time for you to find this home, get your golf cart, and be tooling around this beautiful neighborhood by Christmas.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Misty. This home is stunning. It's definitely not going to last before the end of the year. So if you're interested in this home, you definitely want to come check it out. It is one of the last 5 that they've got here. So other than that, we hope you're having a great day, and Misty hopes to talk with you soon. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Bye.